Want to know how to create an ASCII art generator from input text? So, in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can do it or create a ASCII art generator in Java. First, what we do is, as usual, we start by taking user input with scanner. Then, we look through each character in the string and print it in a simple ASCII style pattern. In this example, we just duplicate the characters to give a small visual effect, but you can get creative with patterns, spacing, or even multi-line escalators. It's a fun way to make text visually interesting in the console, and also a great way to practice for loops and string manipulation. You can just simply run it, type anything, and watch your input turn into a quick ASCII style art. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and remain with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.